Guys, do you know Cursor AI charges you $20 every month for vibe coding? But what if I told you that you can get exact same AI coding feature for free inside your VS Code? So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 free tools that completely replaces Cursor AI. So let's start the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Imagine a free agent building full apps. It has over 160,000 GitHub stars and was shocked. It gives the same power as Cursor. No credit card or subscription. So let's start the video. What is OpenCode actually? It's an AI developer in your terminal. You won't spend a single rupee. It's completely free. So let's jump right into the setup. Trust me, it is super easy. I'll show you how to get it running and you'll see the magic happen. Let's get started right now.
So guys, before installing OpenCode, we have to install Git and Node.js. I have already installed in my system. I have given video link in description box. You can follow if it is not there on your system. And then guys, you can open any of your browser and just search opencode.ai. It will redirect you to official website, and here you can see it's showing 150k stars on GitHub. So OpenCode we can install using terminal, or we can download exe file also. So here is the code for terminal, but I'm not going to use terminal. I will be clicking on this download button. And now guys, just scroll down and here you can see we have OpenCode desktop for different operating system, Mac, Windows, Linux. So I'm going to install it for Windows. So here I'm going to click on this download button. So guys, my download has been started and it is done. So to install this, I'm simply going to click on this exe, and here guys, it will hardly take time to install and the installation is succeeded. So guys, here it is showing me this screen. This is OpenCode, and I'm just clicking on this toggle sidebar to see my open project option. So here we have open project, recent project option. So I'm just going to click on open project and I'm going to take one of my folders. So I'm just creating one folder on desktop with a name test. You can create any folder, and I'm simply opening this folder. And here guys, now you can see it's showing us build anything. So guys, whatever you want to build, you need to simply provide to it, and below you can see it's showing models. So here we have so many models available, but there are certain free models, you can use them. So you can see DeepSeek, and there are many more models which are freely available. You can use them. So I'm going to use Minimax model. I'm going to use Minimax M3 model, and I'm going to paste this prompt over here. So this is a prompt which is going to create a AI assistant app for managing your task or to-do list, we can see, but it is AI assistant to-do list. So everything I have provided in this, so it is going to generate it. So I've just given this and I'm waiting for the result. So here it's showing 0 of 4 task is completed. So it will take time for completing the task. So we will wait for it. Okay guys, so my task is completed and now I'm literally waiting for the result. So here I'm just seeing what file it has generated. So it has generated index.html file and css file, as well as one js file it has generated, and it's showing what is the location where it has generated. Also it is showing how to run this particular file. So now I'm going to simply go to my this folder, this test folder, and I'm going to click on this index.html file. And you can see guys, it has started in my browser, and here it's showing me some of the this shortcuts. So I don't need this shortcut at the beginning, so I'm just copying this. I'm just taking screenshot of this, and again I'm giving this to OpenCode that just resolve this. Sorted out everything and it has updated the file. Now I will go again to my test folder and let me start index.html again. And guys, here is the result. You can see it has created this website very beautifully. So many options we are having on this website. We have dash, we have my task, calendar, analytics, AI assistant, archive, and settings options we are having. And in dashboard, it is showing everything, whatever task we have created, and how much task is done, how much is pending, everything it is showing. And now you can create your new task also. So here at the top you can see new task option is there. You can just click on it and create it. So just giving title and then some description, and here we have priority, medium, low, like whether you want it to be done early or not, and then which category you want to put it, whether you want to put work or personal, something like that. And then you can provide due date and then estimated time for that particular task. And if you want to provide any tag, you can provide it. And now you can see my AI assistant has given it as high priority because the task date I have given for today. Even if I'm giving it for next day, then also it is giving me high priority. If I'm taking after 2-3 days, then my priority has been changed to medium priority. So my AI is deciding what is the priority of this task. Okay, so now then next thing is, guys, now here we have different task available. So if you have completed any task, just check mark it. It will show completed instead of pending. If you uncheck, then again it will show pending. Okay, my task option, and here you can see whatever tasks are there, it is showing all the tasks. Even you can filter the task based on completed, pending, and all that. And calendar is there where it is showing task on a particular day. And analytics, it is showing everything, like what type of task is there, how much task is pending, and all that it is showing. If I change anything in my task, it is reflecting in my analytics. So here you can see I'm just deleting some of the task completed or deleting. Even we have options for editing the task also. So here you can go to my task and you can select the task and you can edit it, you can delete it also, right? And then AI assistant, here we have AI assistant which is showing me everything about my so here we have AI assistant. So we have AI assistant which is showing everything about my task. And we have a theme also. You can switch from dark theme to light theme or light theme to dark theme. So it's showing me, good evening, your productivity score is 44 out of 100 because 3 tasks are due today and there are some tasks which has been completed. So based on my task completion, whether it is pending, how much is pending, how much is done, it is giving me score also. Okay, and also it is giving me some suggestions, smart priority suggestions. And you can see today's plan also it has shown. So everything is like done by AI assistant. It is calculating. Okay, so guys, I felt this is really very nice project which has been designed by OpenCode, and I have not paid anything. You have just seen I have just downloaded the file and I have given prompt. So if you want this prompt, join my Telegram channel and you can get this prompt over there. And here I'm taking you back to my OpenCode and I'm just opening this context of OpenCode. Here it's showing me how much token it has utilized, how much percentage it has used, and when this has been done, everything it is showing. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope by following this video you are able to install OpenCode and start coding with AI completely free, without any credit card, without any subscription. Guys, do let me in comment section which project you have made using this OpenCode. So guys, let's start with the second tool. So guys, if I told you that you can use powerful AI coding inside your VS Code without paying a single dollar and without internet, then I'm sure you won't believe me. So guys, in the next few minutes you are going to turn your VS Code into a fully offline AI coding machine using Ollama. So no subscription and no limits. So guys, watch the video till end without skipping any of the step, otherwise you won't be able to set up your Claude Code in VS Code. So guys, let's get started. Guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and just search for Claude Code. And here you can see the official website code.claude.com, you need to just click on this link. So guys, it will redirect you to this page, and here you can see it's showing Claude Code Overview. Just scroll down and you can see depending on operating system, we have different commands available. So you can install on Windows either using PowerShell or using command prompt. So I'm going to do it through PowerShell. So I'm going to copy this command. So here just click on this icon and just copy the link. And now just open PowerShell. So here in Windows search, simply type PowerShell, and here the PowerShell is started. Paste the command which you have copied and hit enter guys. So it will take a while, and here you can see it's showing installation complete, but here it's showing one message or warning, that is Claude Code require Git bash. So we have to download Git bash. So again I'm just going to my browser, and here I'm simply typing install Git, and here I'm just taking this website, official website. I'm clicking on the link, and now here it's asking me to choose your operating system. So I'm just selecting Windows operating system, and here you can see we have a link for downloading Git bash for Windows operating system. So I'm going to simply click here to download, and guys, it will download Git bash. So let's click on this exe to start the installation. I'm closing my browser guys. Here it is asking me permission. I'm just clicking on yes button, and now here it's showing me license. So I'm going to click on next button, and now this is the destination location where your Git bash will be installed. If you want to change, click on browse button. I'm keeping default and clicking on next button. And now here, if you want to create a shortcut on desktop, you can just select the first option. Now guys, click on next button, and here also it's showing start menu. Click on next button. Now choosing the default editor used by Git, here from drop down we are going to select VS Code as default editor. So just select this option, use Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor, and click on next button. So guys, here for branch name we have two options, override or the let Git decide. So I'm going to select let Git decide, and I'm going to click on next button. And here adjusting your path environment, so again I'm keeping the default one and clicking on the next button. Now choosing the SSH executable, again I'm keeping the default one and clicking on next button. And then HTTPS transport backend, keep the default and click on next button. So many of the things you have to keep default and go on clicking next button. Here also keep the default one guys, that is configuring the line. So next button. Configuring the terminal emulator, keep the default one and click on next button. And now here also keep the default one and click on next button. Choose a credential helper, keep the default, click next button. Configuring extra option, enable file system caching, that is keep the default and click on install button guys. So it will start installing your Git bash. Okay, so now here you can see it's showing me Git bash installation is done, and we have two options, readme file and launch the Git bash. So I'm just unchecking readme file and I'm just launching Git bash. Git bash is started, so I'm simply going to close this, and now I'm going to PowerShell again and just repeating the command which we have previously typed. So here my command is getting executed, and guys you can see it's showing me Claude Code successfully installed. It's showing its version along with location and what next step is to be done. Okay, and installation completed, but below it's showing one note. So in note it is showing that this path is not existing in environmental variable, so we need to add this path. So I'm simply going to copy this path and I'm going to add to environmental variable path. So here let me just copy, and in Windows search I'm just typing env and starting environmental variable, and here I'm clicking on environment variable button, and under system variable I'm selecting path and clicking on this edit button, and here I'm clicking on new button and pasting the path which we have copied from PowerShell. Okay, done. Now click on OK button, and one more time OK button. So path setting is done. Now we'll go back to PowerShell and we will type Claude space -- help. Here you can see it's showing me error. So what we will do, we will just close this PowerShell and we will start again, because we have already set the path in environmental variable. So this error you get when it does not recognize the path. So just close this PowerShell and start again. So I have just started, and on this new PowerShell I'm simply typing Claude space -- help, and guys, you can see now it's not showing me any error. It's working properly. Now instead of Claude -- help, I'm simply typing Claude. So you can see it has taken me to Claude. Here it's showing me various theme option. So whatever theme you like, based on that theme you can select. Just you need to press up and down arrow to select the option, and once you decide whatever option you want, just hit enter. So I'm just selecting dark mode and I'm hitting enter, guys. And now here on this page we need to select the login method. So Claude account with subscription, if you have subscription of Claude, you can select that and you can provide your login detail. So guys, I'm not going to log in over here. I'm moving to step number 2. After setting up Claude Code, I will be installing Ollama. So now I'm going to show you steps for installation of Ollama. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and simply search for Ollama. And herein guys, you can see the search result. This is the official website. You need to simply click on this link. Now guys, it will redirect you to this page, and here you can see we have download button. Just click on this button. Now here on download page, it is showing downloads based on operating system. So it has already detected for Windows operating system. So here we have button download for Windows. Just click on that. And guys, you can see the download has been started. The file size is in GB, so it is going to take a while. Okay guys, my download is done. Now to install it, I'm simply going to click on this exe. You can close or minimize your browser. And now here I'm going to click on this install button. And the installation has been started. It will take a while. Okay guys, so the installation has been done and it has started this page. And here it's loading models. And you can see now we have option for selecting the models. So you can select the model and you can use Ollama locally at your PC. So guys, here you can see it's showing different models. Some are offline model and some are cloud-based model. So here I'm just selecting DeepSeek model. And guys, this is cloud-based. So I need to sign in. So here I'm simply clicking on sign in button. It is redirecting me to this page. If you have account of Ollama, you can log in. Otherwise, you can log in with Google. I'm just signing in with Google. So I'm just selecting any of my Gmail account and I have just signed in successfully. And now guys, here you can see it's showing connect device. So I'm going to click on this connect button and you can see it's showing message device connected successfully. Okay, so now I'm going back to Ollama and here you can see my sign in is successful. Now it's not showing me sign in button. So now here I can give any task which it can perform. So here I'm just giving task that write hello world program in different programming language, and you can see it's doing the task and it has completed the task. So Ollama setup is done guys. Now step number 3 is what? We need to go to VS Code and we need to install some extension to it. So let's go to that step. So now here I have just started my VS Code and here guys I'm just opening one of the folder. So here I'm just selecting option from file menu, open folder, and I'm just selecting one of my folder, test folder. I'm clicking on select folder option. It's asking me whether you trust this folder. I'm clicking yes button. And now I'm going to this extension tab and here I'm going to search one of the extension Claude Code. And you can see it's showing extension Claude Code for VS Code and provided by Anthropic. Okay, and here is the install button. So guys, I'm going to click on this install button. So it will ask me, do you trust the publisher? Yes, I'm going to click on yes button. Now here installation of Claude Code is done. You can see install, it is showing, and at the top right guys, you can see it's showing Claude Code open. Okay, so that means my Claude Code has been installed successfully. So now what I will do, I will just go to my folder here, and also I will click on this Claude Code option. So guys, you can see it's asking me subscription, Claude AI subscription, Anthropic, or Bedrock, or some other subscription it is asking. So I told you initially that I'm not going to pay anything for it. So you can see at the below we have one option, prefer the terminal experience, run Claude in terminal. So I'm going to select this option, but before that I will go back to Ollama website again, and there I'm going to select model option, and you can see we have so many models available. You can select any of them. I'm just taking this Minimax, and I'm just going to this Minimax model, and if you scroll down you can see there is application option, and in application we have Claude Code, and this is the code which has been given. We need to simply copy and paste this code on the terminal of Claude. So I've just copied the code. I'm coming back to VS Code, and I'm going to click on this option, run Claude in terminal. Okay, so if you don't want to click on this option, you can open a terminal from VS Code and do this task. So I'm selecting run Claude in terminal, and now you can see my Claude has been started, but it is starting with some of the different model, and I want to change it to model which I have selected, Ollama model. So for that it will ask you certain details, some permission, so just click on yes and allow and everything. So guys, here I'm just pressing Ctrl C, and after that I'm just pasting the command which I have copied from Ollama website, and I'm hitting enter guys. So now here my Claude Code has been launched with Minimax model, which is a model of Ollama and which is free one. Now I can give task to this model and it can work for me. So here guys, I'm simply providing one task to it, that give me system info. So you can see here it's showing me all my system info. So guys, whatever task you want to give, you can just provide over here. So I have just given some of the task. Also I'm giving one coding related task, that create a student management system project in Node.js. So you can see guys, it is creating directory, it is creating file, everything it is doing. In between it is asking some of the permission, so you need to allow for it just by selecting yes. So now here you can see it's showing me different option for student management system, like if you want to add the record, if you want to delete a record, if you want to view the record. So it is doing task for me. So guys, this way you can set up Claude Code in your VS Code and with Ollama model, so you don't need to pay anything for subscription. I hope guys by following my video you are able to successfully set up Claude Code in VS Code. So guys, if really my video has helped you, don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any query you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. So guys, after setting up OpenCode and Claude Code in your VS Code, now let's move to the third tool, that is Gemini. So guys, you need to go to this extension tab in your VS Code, and there you need to simply search for Google Gemini, and here you can see guys, this is a Gemini Code Assist. Just select this, or you can click on install button. So here if you select this, you will get option for installing. Just simply click on this. Now it will show you this screen. Just click on trust the publisher. So it will install Gemini Code Assist. Now you need to sign in. So simply click on this sign in button. It will redirect you to this page. Here you need to click on open, and then you need to authenticate with your Google account, and you can see Gemini Code Assist has been added to your VS Code. Now you can open your any project folder and you can take help of this Gemini Code Assist. So now here I'm just going to this open folder option, and I have just taken one of my project. You can take any of your project, and then whatever code you have in your project, you can certainly take help of this Gemini Code Assist. So here at the top you can see I'm getting Gemini Code Assist. So slash generate, and then I can ask it to add any functions to my code, or I can ask it to whatever related to your code. So here I'm just asking it some code in this. So here it's generating some code, and now you can see it has generated some code, and you need to just accept it. Okay, so whatever changes it is doing, you need to accept it. So it has generated some code, so you can select any code, and you can ask some doubt about that code. So I'm just selecting this part, and I'm asking it what is this code for. So it's showing me. So guys, these are the free tools which you can use in your VS Code for vibe coding. So I hope you are able to set up all these three tools. Guys, do let me know through comment which tools actually you liked it, and what things you have done with this tool. And guys, if by following my video you are able to do everything properly, do like the video and share my video to your friends as much as possible. And guys, I'm having my website, you can visit. I have posted lots of tutorial on my website. I'm having social media link in description box, certainly you can visit that. And guys, I'm having another channel in Hindi, Code with Sunita. If you are interested learning coding in Hindi, you can subscribe to that channel. And if you are new to this channel, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I post video regularly, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications about my next video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning, guys.